I'm Garcia Loketo. I like talking about documentaries and various community around East Africa and also Africa at large. Within me, I have a little context about the pokot. This is as a result of pokot being rebellious and they are being known of their banditry nature. For decades, pokots have been an enemy and they have problem or conflict cattle wrestling as long as at the same time geographical center. The community they have quarrel with most of the time are the Turkana, the Samburu, and the Tamil and the G. Okay, the origin of the Pokot or their stories it is told by the Pokot are known as the Suk among the Maasai community. And of course, they are Nilotic speakers and decent extraction of Kalenjin speakers. They share common origin with the Kalenjin, and they refer themselves they are homogeneous, and therefore they all themselves as one people. They occupy the northern Rift Valley and others spread to Uganda. Pokots are okay. There are distinctive features that differentiate them from the Kalenjin. In that, Pokots are divided into two